So hello all, welcome back to Pably, and in this video I'll show you how you can add your real estate leads to your Zoho CRM, that too within seconds and without any manual intervention. So to do this, I've opened the workflow builder of Pably Connect, and if you are an existing user like me, directly log in inside Pably Connect and open your workflow builder. But if you are a new user, you're going to get the Pably Connect's landing page URL in the description box below, so go on that URL, and in the top right corner you're going to get the option of sign up for free. So click on sign up for free and you're going to get 100 of tasks free every month to explore Pably Connect. Then log in inside Pably Connect, open your workflow builder and follow me. So this is the most important window of our automation because we have trigger and action in this. Trigger and actions are the two main principles on which our workflow is going to run. Trigger means when this happens and action means do this. So by this you can understand that the trigger starts the process and the actions are results towards the same. So to get started, we have to click on this add trigger button. For the trigger application, you have to search for the application using which you're collecting your real estate lead details. So let's say you're using Meta Ads to collect the details of your real estate leads. So you can use Facebook lead ads, Instagram lead ads. But if you're using Google Ads, you can enter the same application over here as your trigger. Or if you are using apps like Just Dial, 99 Acres, Housing.com, Magic Bricks, Suleka, so you can enter those apps too. So I'm using 99 Acres to collect the details of my own real estate leads. So I'm going to select my trigger application as 99 Acres. But if you wish to learn how to create a connection between any another app like Just Dial, Housing.com and all between Zoho CRM and that app, a video tutorial dedicated for the same is on our YouTube channel. You can check it out. Today I'm going to use 99 Acres only as an example application. You can use any another application to collect the details of your real estate leads. Now you have to select the event as new leads and click on this connect. Now you're going to see that we have received this webhook URL using which we are going to create a connection between our application and Pably Connect. So to automate the lead capture, you have to copy this webhook URL and configure it in your 99 Acres account. And to do this, you have to reach out to your account manager from 99 Acres and ask them to add this webhook URL in your account, because 99 Acres portal doesn't have the provision to add the webhook URL from the user interface. So you have to reach out someone from the backend team or your point of contact from 99 Acres and ask them to add this webhook URL in your account. Once they add this webhook URL in your account, automatically the details of the leads will be started capturing over here as the webhook response, and your workflow is going to get triggered. So once you learned how to create a connection between 99 Acres, the same procedure is for Just Dial, Housing.com, Magic Bricks too. You can follow the same and connect those applications too. So I've also added this webhook URL in my 99 Acres account. So let's capture this webhook response, which is the details of my lead. So as you can see that we have successfully received this response, and you're going to see the details of my lead, be it the first name, last name, phone number, email or area. And now I'm going to add these details in my Zoho CRM. For that, I'm going to click on this add new action step. For the action application, I'm going to search for Zoho CRM and select Zoho CRM. For the event, I'm going to select it as create contact and click on this connect. Now in order to create a connection between Zoho CRM and Pably Connect, if you have already created a connection, click on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me, click on add a new connection and then connect with Zoho CRM. Now it is asking me for the domain. So to enter this domain, open your Zoho CRM and you're going to get the domain in this URL. After this, https://crm dot and before this /crm. So as you can see that this is my domain, which is zoho.in. So I'm going to copy and paste it right over here. Your domain can be anything from below. After pasting this domain, click on this save, and once you click on this save, Pably is going to ask you for some permissions. So give Pably all the permissions it is asking for, because your data is 100% safe with us, no need to worry. Now you're going to see once we give Pably all the permissions, our Zoho CRM account is connected with Pably Connect. Now we have to select the lead source. So I'm going to keep it as advertisement. If you wish, you can definitely select any another lead source. Now one by one, I'm going to add the details of my lead right over here so that I can add the details of my lead in my Zoho CRM. But we are not going to enter it manually by tapping it like this, but instead we are going to map it. So you must be wondering what is mapping. So mapping is a method by Pably which means inserting the data from the previous step. And when we insert the data from the previous step, automatically our data becomes dynamic and change with every new response received. So one by one, I'm going to map the details which are required or the details which I wish to fill in. So as you can see, only this last name and email address is required, but I've also filled in this first name and phone number because I wanted to add these details too. If you wish, you can definitely only enter this last name and email, but if you wish, you can definitely enter the details which you want. After entering all of these details which I want, I'm going to click on this save and send test request. Once I click on this save and send test request, you're going to see Pabbly, we have received the positive response which says success. This means that we have successfully created a new contact in our Zoho CRM. So let's open our Zoho CRM and refresh this contacts list. Once we're going to refresh this list, you're going to see that yes, a new contact has been added, which is demo lead. You're going to see the email, phone number, and the name is exactly the same. And with this, we have successfully completed our workflow. And now, whenever we're going to receive a new real estate lead, automatically a new contact will be created in Zoho CRM. All of this is going to happen in backend. We don't have to come back and again to our workflow to click on save and send test request. So yes, now go try this amazing automation and add all your real estate leads into your Zoho CRM. And further, if you wish to learn how to connect housing.com or any another platform with Zoho CRM, you can request for the same video in the comment section below. Or if you have any doubts related to the video or the workflow, you can ask those same doubts in the comment section below. For your reference, I'll also add the workflow URL of my workflow in the description box. You can check that out too. So go and try this amazing automation, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect. And yes, see you in the next video. Till then, try this automation. Thank you for watching. So not only these applications, but with the help of Pabbly Connect, you can connect many more applications. And now if you have any doubts, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this URL. And now go try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.